All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Okay, welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. All right, so if this is your first time of coming to across our YouTube channel, you are welcome. We are Brainy Bite tutorial. All right, so what we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns jump, university, WAEC, NECO, or university updates. All right, so it is important for you to, if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notification, because on daily basis I put out updates that is very helpful to you guys. All right, so it is important for you to subscribe and turn on bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so today I want to talk about, because I promised all my candidates that any question I receive from my candidate, I will definitely have to come here to answer all of the question. All right, so that I promise all my subscribers that any question I receive from any of my candidates, I will definitely have to come here to answer all of the questions, so that everybody out there, there's some persons out there that is looking for, or that have this kind of question, that doesn't know who to ask will definitely learn from here. So that is why it is important for you to subscribe and turn on bell notification, right, so that whenever I answer any important question again, you will learn from there as well. All right, so let's get right to the video. Please, before we continue, I want to let you know that we have a WhatsApp community. All right, it is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidate. Of course, you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members, so let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. You message me on WhatsApp. After getting to know you, I'll have to add you on our WhatsApp. There in our WhatsApp group, you will have access to so many things like NICO answers and your school post UTME past questions, basically for free. All right, so that's what we'll get from there, and so many other things that you also get from there. You also have my mentorship from there in our WhatsApp group. All right, so there next year, if you want to also be, next year we are launching our program. All right, so we're launching our program that will help our candidate financially by next year. All right, so of course you yourself, you only benefit from there when you are one of our candidates, because me and you knows that the allowance your mother or your father will be given to you when you gain admission will not be enough for you. If you don't know, you can ask other people that have gotten admission. So it is important for you to have somewhere you can get some cash from. All right, so that's where, so it is important for you to join us. All right, so let's get right. Somebody asked, I scored 153 in jump. Which medical course can I use to gain admission this year? All right, so I know that so many persons out there, they are curious, like they want to gain admission. It's very, very important to them. And in the other hand, some persons might have written at jam for a very long time. Some might have written for like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, respectively, and some now is tired of writing. All right, so why some is depressed because of the pressure they are getting from their parents, and they just want to, like, they want to gain admission by all means. All right, so I am here to help as many as I can help. All right, so that I can be able to gain admission. Okay, if you score 153 in JAM, which medical course can I use to gain admission? So JAM, first thing first is that JAM national cutoff mark for the year 2024 admission processes is not out. So however, if you have scored 153 in JAM, that means I believe that their cutoff for this year will not be 150, will not be above 150. So if they cut 150, you have a chance to buy post UTME form. All right, so but what is there now is that you know that medical courses, they are highly competitive. All right, medical courses is highly competitive because of it's highly competitive in Nigeria. All right, so when you score 153 and they don't admit much persons per year, right? So if you score 153 and other persons there scored a very high score, you will not definitely gain admission with medical course. All right, so however, you can go with any other related course. All right, so they can consider you for admission. So after gaining admission after your year one, you can decide to switch to the medical course, or decide to rewrite JAMB again, or preferable you can go through pre-degree. So but sometimes I don't advise people to go through pre-degree because of, but if you have the money, it is important for you to, if you have the money, it is advisable. But if you don't have the money to waste, I don't advise people, because so that's how it is. So the courses you can, the only thing, with 153 you can't be able to get, be it medicine and surgery, nursing, and all of them. All right. However, you can get the course related to. All right. So by then, you can know the next way out. All right. So that's, I believe I've answered this question for today. All right. I believe I've answered this question for today. So if you have any further question that you want me to answer you, then also let me know in the comment section. So all right, so we can answer and others will learn from there as well. All right. So if you have gotten any value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, so that YouTube algorithm will recommend it to other persons out there to watch. All right, so this will be ending this video for today. So don't forget that I love you guys. I love each and every member of Brainy Bytes. All right, so each and every member of Brainy Bytes subscriber. If you have not subscribed yet, please do where to subscribe. All right, I love you guys. Until I see you guys again in my next video, keep winning.